What did the Quran say about the universe? Muhammad lived in the desert. Maybe they did not know that there are oceans on earth, so how far they were knowing about the universe? Maybe one of them knew what deserved the Nobel Prize after 14th century. In 2011, 3 scientists, Brain Schulmet, Saul Perlmutter, Adam Rice, were awarded the Nobel Prize. They studied tens of supernovas, stellar explosions, and they found out that the rate of the universal expansion is increasing. The committee confirms that this discovery was surprising to everybody, even the winners of the prize. But Quran says it wasn't a surprise for actually everyone.
وَالسَّمَاءَ بَنَيْنَاهَا بِأَيْدٍ وَإِنَّا لَمُوسِعُونَ.
Thus, the Quran has been the first book since 14 centuries ago to point to the expansion of the universe. Quran said in the chapter of An'am, "And whomsoever it's Allah will to guide, He expandeth his bosom unto the Islam, and whomsoever it is his will to send astray, he maketh his bosom suffocated and narrow, as if he was uplifted in heaven. Thus Allah layeth ignominy upon those who believe not." The signs confirm that if someone ascends in the sky, he will feel suffocation because of lack of oxygen.
For how can an illiterate person declare facts that are so deeply scientific when no human being at this age was able to talk about these facts without making any mistakes during this declaration?